Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, but today I can't do the run right now. I can't do the run because one, there's a lot of stuff that's going on right now. So let me start from the very beginning. So this is kind of like a story. So that's kind of where I live. But over here is the neighbor house. That's the neighbor's house. I'm hearing random stuff back there. I don't know if it's the goats. So yeah, let me start from the beginning. This was my grandma's house, and then my cousins came from I don't know where, somewhere like way over there. I don't know where they came from, but they moved over here. So let me tell you the story on what's going on, why they moved over here. Because one morning they woke up with a broken window and like 3 bullets in the ground. Oh, I'm already scaring myself. Okay, so they woke up with that, so I'm not gonna say it again because I already said it. I'm gonna scare myself even more. So they moved over here, and then so today, which is September 4th, it's one of their birthdays. So that I can't do the run because they're gonna have it soon, and not only that, I'm not wearing my proper shoes. And then there's a gate over there that I was telling you about. I don't know if you can see it. The gate's somewhere around right there. The gate's somewhere around like right there, but so yeah. See you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna name this vlog the day before the run. So see you guys later tomorrow, the run for sure. So guys, I'm gonna try to film over there. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna try to like sing the birthday song. Try to film that. Try to film something for you all. So see you guys later.